Welcome to our channel. Today we how to factory reset iPhone without password. Easy guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your iPhone is charged or connected to a power source. Open the Settings app on your iPhone by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and select General. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap Reset. Choose the option that says Erase all content and settings. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password if you know it. If you don't know your password, you can still proceed by using recovery mode. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a computer with iTunes or Finder. Power off your iPhone by pressing and holding the side button until the slider appears. Slide to power off your device completely. Next, press and hold the appropriate buttons for your iPhone model. For iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then, press and quickly release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down and sleep wake buttons simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the home and the top, or side, buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. Once in recovery mode, your computer should detect the iPhone. Open iTunes or Finder if it doesn't automatically open. You will see a prompt offering to update or restore your iPhone. Select the Restore option. This will erase your device and install the latest iOS. Wait for the process to complete, your iPhone will restart. After it restarts, you can set it up as a new device. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup process. Your iPhone is now reset to factory settings without a password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.